Chapter 6. Phonic sound of U. Read aloud. Jug. Run. Bug. Bus. Sun. Cup. Tub. Hut. C. Ut. Cut. G. Ut. Gut. J. Ut. Jut. N. Ut. Nut. R. Ut. Rut. B. Ut. Butt. T. Ut. Tut. Read and learn. Buck. Buck. Duck. Yuck. Luck. Muck. Tuck. Chuck. Snuck. Cluck. Stuck. Pluck. Truck. Struck. Potluck. Read and learn. A nut. I cut the nut. I put it in the hut. A bug. The bug is on the jug. The jug is on the rug. Read this rhyme. It is a pup. It has a cup. It drinks milk from the cup. Udit is sitting in the sun. He is eating a bun. He says, "Mum, it is yum."